In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use the SEO Mantis Pro tools, starting with the Keyword Explorer. The keyword tool can help you discover new keywords for either new product ideas or for optimizing your existing listings. You'll see at the top, we show you anything trending currently on TPT as well as on Pinterest. And what's unique about this tool is that it's going to show you what people are actually searching for across multiple platforms, not just on TPT. For an example, I'll just try Earth Day crafts. We'll run a search, and at the top are always the TPT results, which we do provide popularity and competition data for you for TPT results. Green is good, orange is okay, and red is bad. So you're looking for green and green, which would tell you that there's high search volume and low competition. And if I scroll down, you'll see that for some keywords, we actually get matches on multiple platforms. So for this example, people are searching for Earth Day crafts for kids on Etsy, Pinterest, and Google. So even though we don't have the search volume and competition results here, this is indicating that this is a very popular search term and is worth adding to your existing Earth Day craft listings, or it could be used as a brand new product. If you see any keywords that you're interested in, you can copy them here or add them to your favorites list, which is available up here for future reference. I will tell you, if you do find a diamond green and green keyword, you have a really good chance of ranking in the first few pages for those keywords. So if you can find those, that is fantastic. If not, don't be discouraged because you can still leverage this tool to give you ideas on things that you may not have thought of adding to your titles and descriptions. Next, I'm going to show you the rank checker. Here you can enter any TPT URL plus up to 3 keywords and see where this product ranks for each of those keywords. And this is great for tracking progress. So if you were on page 3 and then you made a bunch of changes and then a week or two later you were on page 2 or 1, then you know what you're doing is working. And it also gives you average market price for each of those keywords. There's also a rank history option here. And here you can actually see historically if your product has went up or down specific to those keywords. So you can come in here every week or month and just rerun the rank check for updated results. Last but not least on the website is the store audit. So here you simply go to your TPT product statistics page, export that CSV file, and upload it here. And it will give you a complete breakdown on what you should be focusing on to improve your store. This is fake data here, so don't get too excited about my earnings here. But as you scroll down, you can see that it's going to call out products that have a lot of views but low conversions for you, as well as some steps to improve those conversions. And then as we scroll down, it'll even show you SEO issues, so products that have low views but high conversions, which is clearly letting you know that you need to include some different keywords that you discover from Keyword Explorer into your product titles. Then it shows you products that are getting like no views or sales whatsoever, which means you need to kind of go back to the drawing board and update everything in your listing from title to description to thumbnail, previews, etc. And then it will show you a breakdown of opportunities out there for you. So, for example, products that have been wish listed, maybe run a sale on that product and try to convert those wish lists into sales. Products that have really low reviews, here you would want to update those products. Of course, read your reviews and try to figure out what's wrong with them and see if you can turn those products around. And then refreshing old products, this is huge. If you have something that hasn't been touched for 5 years, if it's not on page 1, spot 1, and selling like crazy, then it definitely doesn't hurt to go and update the thumbnails, previews, and potentially titles and descriptions. And then at the bottom, you'll get a prioritized action plan on how you can get more views and make more sales. So that covers all of the website-based tools available for pro users. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the browser extension called SEO Analyzer for TPT. Step one, you're going to want to download the extension. It is actually available for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. So you're going to start by downloading that. Once you're here, you're going to simply add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and it's instantly going to authenticate you with Google credentials. And now you see that I have this Analyze SEO button available when I'm on the TPT website. So if I just go to a store and hit Analyze SEO, it's going to scan all of the information that I can see from this view and give you some SEO tips on how you could better improve the listings from this perspective. The listings are in order from worst score to best score, so you can start at the top to figure out which listings you should spend time on. So for example, if I wanted to focus on this particular product, I can click drill down, which is going to run a new analysis from the actual product page view. It's looking for things like title best practices, conversion optimizations such as previews, the quality of your description. You can even run the rank checker to see where your product ranks, as well as average pricing for that type of product. And as we scroll down, there's also an AI title optimizer. If you have a low title score and you have a struggling product and you want to improve it, then you can run the AI title optimizer, which will give you 3 SEO optimized title suggestions, which you can copy right from there. And you can always rerun it if you're not happy with the results. There's also a description optimizer. The first part of your description, which we refer to as the description snippet here, really can help with SEO. So you want to make sure that that's optimized. You can use this to give you some suggestions as well, just like the title optimizer. And then as you scroll down, you're going to get additional tips to help you follow best practices. And then all the way at the bottom, there's even a built-in keyword research tool, which shows you the search suggestions that you would get in the search bar, but down here in an easy place to always be able to see what those are, in addition to seeing how popular those keywords are, as well as how much competition there is for them. So you're looking for 2 green dots. Green is good, orange is okay, and red is bad. And then we're always going to show you the most popular searches, like what's trending in the TPT search bar for that particular time. And you can click on those and get results for those as well. In addition to all of those features, there's a conversion analysis tool. When you click that button, it's going to take you to your My Statistics page and give you some insights into your conversion rates. Now, since this store doesn't have a ton of products, I am missing a section down here that shows SEO opportunity that looks like this. And as you can see, it's going to let you know of any products that maybe have a lot of views but low conversions and could use the conversion optimizations we talked about, or have good conversion rates but could use some SEO improvements. Well, that's going to be it for the demo. I can't wait to hear about your SEO results. Take care and happy selling.